What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Detail. One of our cars here today I want to show you is a 2023 Toyota GR86. A really cool car, specced out nicely. We got some XPEL on the front end, Ultimate Plus with the built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty. This car's getting ready to go out the door. But if Kenny can bring his camera in here, wrap seams everywhere. The thing came out absolutely stunning. So yeah, this is one that we just finished up today, getting ready to leave, and then we're going to go walk around the corner here and show you what we got going on outside. And this other car we got here, after that beautiful GR86 I was talking about, this is a 2023 Hyundai Elantra. I think I said that right. There's so many different brand names. We did the XR Black, 15% all the way around, and the sunroof on this vehicle. It's getting ready to pick up, and installed the factory mud flaps for him. He wanted the windshield visors on. The customer, we don't sell this stuff. The customer brings this to us, we will install. So we got this one getting ready to pick up, but a pretty nice car, came out great on the windows. Then over here we've got a 2020 Audi S5 in the beautiful, what's this color again, Kenny? It's, anyway, I'll figure that out. I'm sorry, because it's a weird, it's District Green Metallic. Absolutely stunning vehicle that we got in here that we're doing. And we just got all the windows tinted and XR plus 20% all the way around. Front windshield XR plus 70%. And then this car is getting ready to be staged, and we're doing a full wrap on this with the XPEL Ultimate Plus Fusion built-in ceramic coating. Self-healing, swirl marks. The stuff is absolutely amazing on product with the film, 10-year warranty, made in the USA. So this one should be in sometime next week to get going for a full wrap. Then over here, this is a Porsche that we did last year, the green one we just did. This is the same owner. So we fully wrapped this one, it's just in for a maintenance. But this is the 911 Turbo. The year does not strike me at the moment. But anyway, fully wrap on this car here, just in for its maintenance wash and a once over check, and he's having us to do a few other things. So this thing, again, you've probably seen this on the page before in some of our videos. But a beautiful car. I think he's pushing close to, what, 1,000 horsepower in this. Built twin turbo. Excellent vehicle. But anyway, again, this is over, I'm going to say, about a year since we wrapped this one. And as you can see, holds up well, all edges wrapped, just come out absolutely beautiful. So we'll show more on this car too, and I'll try to get some more specs from the owner. Then we're going to go inside here and we're going to show you what's going on. All right, so in here inside we've got, I forget what year it is, but this is a Hyundai Tucson. This is just our normal inside loaded package, so everything on the inside is clean. Then the outside was washed, deconned, clay barred, and then polished with a 1-year polymer sealant. So this car is going to be leaving shortly. Then we have the 2023 Kia K5 GT that we did a full window tint except the front windshield, and the XR Black ceramic 20% all the way around. Come out fantastic. And then we also did a full frontal, hood, fenders, bumper, mirrors, headlights, all the goodies on the front, and the XPEL Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty, self-healing, made in the USA. Yes, that matters, guys. All this other crap that's coming out that's loading the area and everywhere in North America, China, Korea. Anyway, true 8 mil. We also have the 10 mil for that added protection. Come see us at 419 Council Drive, Chesterton, Indiana. Give us a shout at 219-628-0288. And as always, love and happiness. Peace.